Open your photo in Picsart and add any background of your choice that suits the image. Now erase the background from the main photo. Make sure you do it properly without any mistakes left. Save the photo and open it in Lightroom app. Download the preset from the link in description. Copy the settings from preset and paste it into main photo. If you want, you can use any other presets or just do normal light edits through Lightroom. Share it to Picsart app so we can edit the glowing book effect. Add blue light photo and blend it to screen. Erase the light from backside of the book. Add same photo and repeat the procedure, but this time stretch it larger than the previous one for light effect on face. Add any glitter sticker to the blue light. And we are done with our editing. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest video updates.